Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Skype camera not working. So from your search bar on the bottom right or bottom left corner of your phone, tap for settings and look for the privacy, and then tap for camera and make sure that you allow the apps to access your camera, especially Skype. So this is turned on. Now let's try to check the second one. The same thing, from your search bar you can go to your Microsoft and see if Skype needs to be updated. So you will be able to check over here if needs to be updated. So just update your Skype app from your computer. Now, if that won't solve the problem, the next thing that we can do to solve that is to still go to your apps and then look for Skype, and we will try to tap the advanced option, and from here you can try to reset and repair and reset the app, or try to uninstall and reinstall this again. If you have downloaded this to from the Microsoft Office, then you can try going to any browser available on your computer and try to download Skype from there, and vice versa. So if you have also downloaded Skype app from the browser that's available on computer, then you can try downloading this app from your Microsoft Office. So if you want to download it from your browser, you can just type www.skype.com and then try to download Skype from this page, and just choose any like window type that you have. So hope this will solve our issue with regards to the camera. And if you find it helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.